We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 4. The name of today's assignment is XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, then we have to click on enable editing, then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. We just increase its size, change its color. Then here is project description. We also increase its size and change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So we will discuss this chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have just 13 questions. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. You are the inventory manager for EBL Sporting Goods. EBL is a national sporting goods store with several warehouses. You are currently performing an analysis to determine inventory levels as well as total value of inventory on hand. Your last step will be check the report for duplicate entries and format for printing. So all these are simply project description, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what we will get. Okay, so all these are simply project description. We have to read that one before going to solve this assignment step by step. So after reading project description, now we are moving toward graded part, steps to perform, and here is instructions. Okay, so now we are moving toward a graded part. So in question number 1, we have to start Excel, then download and open the file name XP Excel chapter 4 ML1 inventory. Grader has automatically added our last name to the beginning of the file name. Okay, so we have to open that file. We call that a solution file that we have downloaded from Pearson platform. Then click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done, that is not a graded one, but we have to solve that part. Okay, so now we are moving toward a next part. So in next part we have to freeze the pins at a cell B2. Okay, where is B2? Here is B2. Okay, we have to freeze the pin. Okay, so that column label do not scroll off screen. So now we have to freeze here on cell B2. First we have to select cell B2, then click on view, then here is a freeze pin and freeze the pin. So now you may see that first row wouldn't be a move. Okay, so question number 2 is done and we got 8 marks from there. In question number 2 we just freeze the pins at a cell B2 so that columns label do not scroll off screen. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Hmm. Convert convert the data to the table the name inventory 2018. Now we have to convert the table. So first we have to select in this table, then click on insert table, and we have to convert that table into that into table. Okay, then we have to name the table is inventory 2024, so we just copy this name from here. Okay, then select this table and here we have to paste the name, then simply press enter. Okay, so question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3 we earned 18 marks. It's quite big question. So in question number 3 we have to convert the table and the name of table. First we have convert the data into table. After that then we have to name the table. The table is inventory 2024. So after solving question number 3 we have on 18 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 4. So in question number 4 we have to apply light green table style light 18 to the table. Okay, now we have to apply that table that we have created in question number 3. This table we have to apply the table style light 18. So select this table, then open their table style and apply a light 18. Where is a light 18? Yes, this one. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 6 marks from there. Okay, so in question number 4 we just apply a light green table style light 18 to the table. Now we are moving to question number 5. In question number 5 what we have to do, we have to sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Okay, so we are, and by department we have to create a custom sort order by department so that it display this sequence. Okay, this sequence. So we are just moving toward there, then click on home. In editing group there is sort and filter custom sort. Then first one is warehouse. Okay, so where is a warehouse? There is warehouse. We have to order E to Z. Then we have to unit price. Where is a unit price? We have to select a unit price, and a unit price must be the smallest to largest. And in last we have to select the department. Okay, so where is a department? There is a department, and for department we have to select custom list. Okay, and then we have to copy this list from here, then new list, add, and here we have to in the list, and remember we have to delete and from there. Okay, now add this one. Now simply press OK, and we have to select that one. Okay, this one. Okay, now simply press OK. Done. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5 we have earned 10 marks. Okay, so in question number 5 we have to sort the table by warehouse E to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. And for department we have to create a custom sort order for department so that it display in this sequence. First training, then athletic, apparel, then footwear, then fitness, outdoor gear, and then toes. So question number 5 is done and we earn 10 marks from there. So now we are moving toward question number 6. In question number 6, what we have to do, we have to remove the duplicate record from the table. Then Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Okay, it is a not graded one, but we have to do that question. Okay, so for that we just select this table, then simply click on table design, and here is a remove duplicate record option. Click OK, and you may see one duplicate record found and removed. Okay, simply press OK. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6 we have to remove the duplicate record from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Yes, same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 12 questions in today's assignment. Out of 12 we have solved for 6 parts. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. So in today's video we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. In start we just discuss the project description. Okay, after discussing project description then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2 where we have to freeze the panes at cell B2 so that column labels do not scroll off screen. Then after solving part 2 we got 8 marks. Then we move toward question number 3 where we have to convert the data to the table. After convert that data into table, then we have to name the table inventory 2024. After solving this part, we have earned 18 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 4 where we have to apply light green table style light 18 to the table. Then we move toward question number 5 where we have to sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. And for department we have to create custom sort order for department so that it display in the sequence. Then we move toward question number 6 where we have to remove the duplicate record from the table. Then Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Okay, so we have done almost half of assignment in today's video. If you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Your result will be 100% and price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. Or remember that I am also expert of other assignment. If you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Result will be 100%. File will be ready in next 1 hour and price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. In today's video we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. Almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.